Hello. I am Julie. I go to a subsidized school. School starts at 8:15 and ends at 14:30. I have 6 lessons and I don't have lunch at school. I have some extra lessons in the afternoon.
Hello. I am Paul. In my school the best mark is a 10 and the worst is a 0. I have maths, language, physical education, English, science, religion, ethic, art, geography, second language.
Sometimes we have day trip and we visit some interesting places like museums and other cities.
We can play a lot of sports like soccer, basketball, handball, volleyball, judo.
We are about 30 students in class and we have breaks between the lessons when we have to change our books. We have 5 minutes.
At the end of the year we have a party where people dance and play games.